Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change LinkedIn profile picture. It's actually been proven that LinkedIn members with a profile photo receive up to 9 times more connection requests than those without. Having a photo of your face on your LinkedIn page not only gives people a glimpse of your face and makes them more likely to accept you, but it also can increase engagement. In fact, statistics have shown that having a profile photo can get you up to 21 times more profile views. But how do you upload one? Now that we know how important it is to have a profile picture, here's a step-by-step guide on how to add one to your profile. Firstly, you need to find your way to your profile. And I'm sure you already know how, but the easiest way is to click on the Me icon on the top right of your page. Next, you have to click on View Profile or tap the plus icon. Now, you've made it to your profile. It's time to click on the camera icon in your introduction section. However, if you've already got a profile picture and you just want to change it, you won't see the same camera icon. You have to press on your current profile picture instead. To add the profile picture, you'll now be given two options. You can either use the camera options to take a picture from your device, or you can click upload for an image straight from your computer. Once you've chosen a profile picture, you'll then be given an edit photo of your pictures needs a few tweaks. All you need to do now is press Save Photo in the top right corner. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.